Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 8, that is measure of central tendency. I earlier told you what is the meaning of central tendency. Central tendency, it means central value or representative value which represent whole the series. Now how to calculate this representative value? Earlier also I told you there are three methods to calculate, that is arithmetic mean, median and mode. Arithmetic mean we have already done. Now today we are going to start median. What is the meaning of median? Median, it means centrally located value. Here we can say that is mid value, in which half of the series, half of the value are above and other half of the values are below. Suppose, let me explain with an example. If in a class I am asking to the students that stand in a height wise. According to the height wise, the mid child, whatever the mid child, that is known as a mid value. That is the mid value, or that mid value is known as a median, in which the whoever, so the child who is stand in the mid, that mid child is known as a median. Half of the students will be more than that height and half of the students will be lower than that child height, so that is known as a median. Now, we have to calculate median. But before calculating the median, I already told you there are three types of series, that is indivisible series, second discrete series, and third frequency distribution series. Today we are going to discuss indivisible series. In this session today we are going to discuss indivisible series, how to calculate median in indivisible series. For that, first of all we have to apply few formula. Now steps. First, M. M, it is denoted to median. It means median is denoted by M. Now second step, that is arrange value or series into ascending order or descending order. Clear? First of all, as per your wish, you can arrange your series in ascending order or descending order. Third, apply the formula. What is the formula of that? N plus 1 upon 2 item. This is a very simple formula. N plus 1 upon 2th item. It means N, it means number of, N means number of items. Clear? First, we are going to discuss how to calculate median in indivisible series. We have to follow few steps. First of all, median, that is denoted by M. First, arrange the value into ascending order or descending order as per your wish. Second, apply formula. N plus 1 upon 2th item. N means number of items. Clear? Now let me explain this, how to calculate median in indivisible series. For that, let me explain you with an example. I hope meanwhile you all are going to write the steps of that. You just write how to calculate median in indivisible series. I hope all of you have written. I am going to now rub it. Suppose in the question that is given, calculate Calculate median from the following series. All of you know that in individual series only one column it is given. Suppose marks are given, that is 71, 72, 68, 64, 65. Clear? Now how to calculate median in individual series? All of you know this is the individual information it is given. When individual information given and single column it is given, that is known as a individual series. Now how to calculate median? First we have to apply arrange into ascending order. Serial number. How much items are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now arrange marks into ascending order. Marks is known as a value. Now first 64, 65, 68, 71 and 72. Clear? Now apply the formula n plus 1 upon 2 item. N it means all of you know number of items. How much number of items are given in the question? That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Which item I have got? Third item. Now the third item 1, 2, 3. What is the value of the third item? That is 68. Third item value it is 68. This 68 is known as a median. We are denoting our median from M. M equal to 68. Clear all of you? Now this is while calculating median in individual series, we have to see that the values are or the numbers are, number of items are in a odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you know that is the odd number. We are going to apply that n plus 1 upon 2 and you are going to get your answer in a very easy manner. Now, if in the series it is given even number, same for example we are going to consider and we are going to just add one more series so that it can become a even number. Now suppose the one value given in the same question, that is 61. It means now which series it become even. How to calculate median when the even series are given in individual. So we are going to calculate again median when the even series are given. Clear? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Again arrange into ascending order. Marks has to be given to be arranged into ascending order. Marks is known as a values. Now arrange 61, 64, 65, 71, 68, 71 and 72. Clear? Now this number is even number. First of all, same we have to apply the formula m equal to n plus 1 upon 2th item. N number of items 6 plus 1 divided by 2. How much it is? 3.5. Now, third item, our answer lies between third item and fourth item. Our answer is going to be between 3.5, that lies between 3 and 4. Third item and fourth item. How to calculate median in that situation? Size of third item plus size of fourth item divided by 2. What is the value of third item? 65 and fourth item 68 divided by 2. Add both of them. 133 divided by 2. 8. Clear? Now divide it. 66.5. That will be the value of m. Clear? This is the value of m. Now I told you how to calculate median in individual series if even number is given, if odd number is given. I will upload the questions of related topic. You just try to solve it. If you are going to face any kind of problem, just let me know. Thank you.